We'll guide you through how to download Blender, the popular open-source 3D creation suite. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and navigate to Blender's official website by typing blender.org in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a big button that says Download Blender right there on the front page. Click on it. This will take you to the Downloads page, where Blender automatically detects your operating system and suggests the best version for you. If you're on Windows, you'll see options for an installer or a portable version. For Mac OS users, there's a single DMG file option. And for Linux, you'll find a tarball. Choose the option that suits your needs. For simplicity, let's go with the standard installer. Click the download button, and the file will start downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. The setup wizard will launch. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You'll typically click Next a few times, agree to the software's terms and conditions, and choose the installation location. It's usually best to go with the default settings unless you have specific preferences. After installation, you can find Blender in your list of applications. Open it up and you're ready to start creating. It's as simple as that. If you ever need to check for updates, you can do so directly from Blender's interface under the Help menu. Regular updates ensure you have the latest features and improvements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.